Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We are continuing our misconception series, and today I want to talk to you about many of the professionals out there in the pest control industry and in other crawl space repair talking about using fans to control humidity. Is that a good idea? When I got started in crawl space encapsulation, it seemed like everybody was doing the same thing. They were putting down a loose lay vapor barrier and installing crawl space ventilation fans to control humidity. And I got to thinking, we live in the South where it's really humid outside. So if I put a fan in the crawl space vent, and some people would install them in the door, if I put a fan and I'm pulling in wet, humid air into an already wet crawl space, how is that really controlling humidity and drying out the crawl space? I've even done some moisture readings where the fan itself was blowing in 80% relative humidity inside the crawl space. And then you got those ones that argue about, well, you blow the fan out to control humidity. Well, it's still pulling makeup air from the outside into the crawl space if all of the other vents are open. That makeup air has to come from the outside into the crawl space. So whether you point the fan blowing out or you point the fan blowing in, the makeup air is what is determining the humidity level of the crawl space. So what we have found over the years, research has shown over and over and over again that you need a dehumidifier. Don't use your HVAC system for reasons that I've mentioned before. And if you check out the misconception series, you can learn about that. Install a crawl space dehumidifier that is properly sized and also have the ventilation fan to blow out those soil gases, but not to control humidity. So we feel like that's something a lot of companies should stop doing, is using fans to control humidity. You can use it to control soil gases. Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.